How you doing? I know there is. Oh yeah, howdy boss. How you doing? Doing good. Hot dog. Oh, hot ass dog. Hot ass dog. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Nothing like a little hot ass dog. All right, let's send this thing out. I've even thought about using Instagram. But then I gotta like start using Instagram. Ugh. I was promised hot take. Oh, we're gonna hot take. Hey, thank you for the follow. Let's go. Hey, Black
Welcome
Frog.
to Costco. I love you.
He is I3. Yeah. PrimeageN priming himself to prime all over us. Oh, absolutely. Hey, Mr. Prime, say howdy. Are we going to get ready? Are we getting smoothed over? Hey, my favorite guru. I'm no guru. Hot take me, daddy. Oh, we are going to. Ooh, I gotta do something really quickly here. Hold on. I gotta turn off my computer for just a quick second. I gotta open up Slack. This is my personal computer, but I do have Slack on it. You know, you gotta have a little Slack. You know what I'm talking about? And I gotta open up a couple quick links because I have kind of a fun YouTube video that I'm thinking about making. You know what I mean? A little fun YouTube video. A little funsy. All right. All right, there we go. Hold on. I think we got it. Oh, I have a fun YouTube video idea, and I think this would be a lot of fun to do. P kill Slack. Me daddy. There we go. All right, people. You guys ready? Oh, back on YouTube. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that. What's my age?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
6. Coconut oil being applied now. Nice. How's it going? By the way, Flip, how is it going? I thought, it was looking good, dude.
Welcome to Costco.
Theowly. Thank you very much. Hey, remote or in person for devs? I like them both.
Welcome to
Costco. I'm not a hardliner. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people are hardline for just simply the sake of being hardline. You know what I mean? Black Frog, thank you for that tier 1. Let's go. Branko J, let's go. Resubscribed. Rusty DJ, you know it. Hell yeah.
I love
Tokyo! I appreciate that. Theoli, let's go. Miss Candan. Miss Candan. Miss Candan. Hello, everyone. Howdy. Asotolin, thank you very much for the resubscribe. 13 months. I don't even know how you do it. I don't even know how you do it. 3 months of being a Rust-loving criminal. That's right, another Jamie. Let's go. I love Mondays. Oh, my goodness. Is it Mondays? Is this Mondays? Do I got Mondays on here right now? Great Galactic, let's go, and Rasteri, and John Q, and oh my goodness, what the hell's with all these Twitch primes? What the hell's wrong with you?
Welcome to Costco.
What the hell? It's me. Hey, by the way, I gotta sit down and hang out with this fella right here at, yeah, it is Mondays. There we go. I am not even following you. I'm following you now. Hey, go check out Mondays. Okay? He does charity stuff. If I'm not mistaken, right? What's the okay, what the
Welcome to Costco.
Am I being
I love you.
Wait a second. Am I being botted but with Twitch Primes? I've always had this great idea. Okay, I've always hear me out. I've had this great idea. What if as a company you got everybody to Twitch Prime subscribe to to some entity of your company and use that as a revenue generating mechanism? Think about it. I'll fill you in, Philip Fisher. Hey, Prime, love your stuff. Question, I've been curious about how long were you at Netflix before you transitioned to backend? I'm not on the backend. I do more stuff on Twitter. Okay, the man does stuff on Twitter. Okay, go follow him on Twitter. Anyways, I got to, it doesn't sound sketchy at all. I know, isn't it great? It's like a loophole. Would save Coinbase? I know nothing. Prime just loves the back end. Oh, you caught me. I'm in ChatGPT. Asked me a Rust question. I'll answer it confidently, but wrong. Okay, another Jamie. When should you, use explicit lifetimes in Rust Lang? There you go. That's the question. I'm excited to get all rusty today watching this stream. So, Mondays, I hope you know that this is a Rust programming stream, not a Rust video game stream. Very different. That is big brain. Thank you. Yeah. I was thinking about how fun would it be to figure out, like, I mean, I know there's no way. Are you able to increase Netflix subscription zone time? I don't even know what that means. Why you use it? Because I like it. What are we building today? We're still going with serverless, baby. Thank you, Sublink. Here, let me go back here. I don't know what the heavens happened here with all these Twitch Primes. Great Galactic, 14 months Rust is so much faster. I bet it could do it in 10 months. Hell yeah, it can.
I love you.
Hell yeah, it can. Rasterio, 1111, thank you. John Q, thank you. Rokadoka, 22. I'm surprised you had to put a number with a name like Rokadoka. Vinny Pimba, thank you very much. What appears to be Pussy, thank you very much. Your Mac, thank you again. Dude, you've been around for so long and your name reminds me of a Mortal Kombat character. Sublig, thank you very much for the Twitch Prime extended step coming in with that brand new Twitch Prime. So many brand new Twitchers. Man, this isn't a Rust stream. This is a Rust stream. Rust. Lang streams. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this. Hey, it's you. Awesome to see you in Prime Stream. Yeah. So Mondays and we got to hang out at TwitchCon for actually quite some time. During my time hanging out with Dr. K, we also were hanging out with Monday. Hey, what's going on with my video? Anyways, Keymaster, hey Prime, is there any reasons you use Linux but not Mac? Mac is just really annoying to use. I just like a really good window manager. That's all I want in my life. Give me a great Windows manager,
Welcome
and that's
to Costco.
it. MTech, thank you. Best Rust stream,
It
absolutely. Green Gawain. Thank you for the brand new one and no code, best
Welcome
code.
to
You
Costco.
know it's true.
I love you.
This is literally the bad take. But okay, MacW. I don't want to try Window Manager. I can manage your Windows. Okay, Iconium. I could do, if you exclusively manage my Windows, I'll accept it. Exclusively. Exclusive. This is literally the best song on YouTube right now. This is it. You're probably thinking, this is not a banger. Oh, it's a banger. Oh, it's a banger. We need to sign an NDA out of your mind. Okay, Louisa Carriera. Thank you very much. How many windows are we talking? All of them. Do you have 2 different PCs? Yes, I do. Yeah. I have a couple different PCs. Absolutely. Reet Camille. I honestly have no idea what these Twitch Primes are from. What are they doing? What do you think of Go? I think Go's a great language. I think Go's a really great language if you're like in doing some enterprising. Are we really? We're 7 minutes in, 119 views. Seems a little low today. I'm just waiting for a Warp console to go to Linux to ditch out Mac OS X. Really? The Warp consoles? What the hell's Warp console? I can guarantee you'll love DWM. I can guarantee I won't. I'm not editing C to do anything with my... No, thank you.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you, Ezilion. I won't. I am not a suckless person.
Welcome
Moreno
to
Fox,
Costco.
thank you very much. I
you.
have children, okay? I have children. When you have children, suckless is by the very definition suck. Okay, thank you for the follows. Appreciate that. 446. Nah, it's only 100 people. If you say 446, get the hell out of this chat. Okay, there's only 119 of you, and don't bullshit me. Okay, bots confirmed. Heavenly filled bots. E-ratio. I'm gonna E-ratio you.
I love you.
A new laptop comes out in a week. Outline a beginner roadmap for me, please. Damn, that was on YouTube and wondered which song. Dude, this song is such a banger. No, all of you, get the hell out, all of you. Coming in here with that, I'm not wrong, you're wrong, Nightshade Dude. Nightshade Dude, what are we using for serverless? Probably Fermion or a Vercel. Get the hell out of the startup. Who'd we get out? Buy me a pizza, get the hell out of here.
Welcome to Costco.
Get out.
I love you.
Why did I just bump? I'm not allowed to yell? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Is that why you used your instantaneous warping technology? Prevent me from yelling? Karen, can you do something about my internet? Why is it sucking butt? Okay, I need you to do something about my internet right now, okay? Butt sucking, and I don't like it one bit, all right? Nobody should be doing that. It doesn't even make any sense when you really think about it. Please do Java! Please do Java! Java! So you want me to become upset at Maven in front of everybody? Oh, you want me to gradle these nuts live on Twitch? Your internet is not blazingly fast. No. Thoughts on Stranger? What the who? What the hell? Oh, Strager. Finally, you have a good opinion. I like Strager. I met him in person once. We had sushi once. We had sushi together. Nice guy. Nice guy. This is such a hype stream. I love it. It is. I doc disrespect once you start programming. I was gonna answer your mom, but I realized that got me banned. Sorry, what was the banger song again? Oh, not telling you. Not telling you. Python tuna sushi equals peak sushi? Absolutely. Java 1.17 onwards is bearable. This is true.
Welcome to Costco.
I grew up on 1.5. Then I got, sorry, 1.5. And then I got to go to 1 point something else. Dude, you mentioned sushi reminds me of that random taco joint. So good. Dude, that taco joint was so good. Dude, that taco joint was so good. Dude, okay, real talk, Emu. No idea. Her and I are like the most opposite people in the universe, and we became best friends. The Dan Vale. Twitch chat greater than YouTube chat. Suck it! YouTube chat! Suck it! Yeah, I agree with that. Thank you for that tier 3. Thank you. Bio pandemic. Let's go, tier 1. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Are we actually like get a level 5 hype train this SO LinkedIn logger every single time I swear you come in 100 biddy. Toss them on my face. They bounce off like a handful of pennies. Feels fantastic. You can't just mention a taco joint, dude. It's so...
Give me the meat.
Okay. Well, looks like we are level 5. Looks like Jeff Bezos is getting out that Lamborghini. Gonna get it all over. Does the Rust Analyzer die for... no, it doesn't. Did Netflix move Java to Node.js? Dude, they are literally doing that unironically. Mochi-gasm. Dude, nothing gives me a good gasm like a mochi. I tell you what. Okay, seriously though, Mochi-gasm. Okay, I don't want you to fulfill your name here in the startup, because I was actually thinking about getting a little mochi vending machine here. Put in the bathroom, okay? A little bathroom ramen, bathroom mochi. Bathroom ramen, bathroom mochi. No hands. Look at me, ma. Peak performance, okay? Peak performance. But real talk, thank you very much, A Zillion, giving out. You just subbed. You're brand new. Zircon, you didn't have to do that. Thank you. Mochi, thank you for the brand new tier 1. Flip, that's going to get me banned. One of these days, I'm going to get myself banned. You know what I mean? Like, it just has to happen. Visual Basic greater than Rust. Okay, I hate you. Thoughts on Golang? I don't have any thoughts. Let me check to see if there's an error from that. But real talk, Go's a great language. You know, like, if you wanted to have a high-performance server, but you wanted something that is roughly the equivalent of ease of TypeScript.
Welcome to Costco.
Without all the down-the-road difficulties of using a language that's based like JavaScript. Go's great, right? Go's going to help prevent all that nonsense. Whoa, half my team quit today? Dude, you got to tell me what happened. All right, hey, Frankie Peanut. Yo, Frankie Peanut. Yo, Frankie Peanut. There's some joke I was gonna make. Seriously, what the hell's going on here? It's an introduction. Have you never been a part of a live stream? This is called foreplay, okay? We're 13 minutes and 30 seconds into it. You don't just, go straight for the P spot, the programming spot. You gotta warm people up, okay? Where do your live streams go afterwards? Twitch VODs, of course. 256, power of 2, 2 to the 8. First time joining one of your streams, usually watch on YouTube content. How do these usually go? Well, I scream mostly. That's what my mom complains about. The P-Spot, PrimeageN. I've never been a part of a live stream. This is my first one. Well, hello, Nightshade, dude. Man, make some courses for us. I literally have a free course that is one of the most popular courses on Front-End Masters about algorithms. Algorithms, okay? Back to I3. Did this guy take drugs? No, I don't take drugs. What are you talking about? That's redonkulous. Nightshade, dude, though. Real talk, I'm really trying to figure out my life right now. It's been so complicated, and I've been so stressed out about some things, and so I'm going to really try to make things happen more. You know what I'm talking about? And so I would just like to let you know that I am going to be going down on Tarkov here soon. He's usually just naturally this high, yeah. Will there be borrow checker languages in the future? I think so.
Welcome to Costco.
You're the Thor of my
I love
hammer.
you.
I think that's a good thing. Live guards,
Welcome
let's
to
go.
Costco.
Let's
I love
go.
you.
And
Welcome to Costco.
Rodrigo. Thank you very much for that. I'm just really trying to roll that tongue out. You know what I mean? Get the dust off. Chaz, thank you. Appreciate that. Your Polygon Chloris in front of Masters go tier. Yeah. Dude, I thought it was great. More boobas and hooba dooba. Oh my goodness, quap me, daddy. Okay, it's time. Remember, first quap is always just a get 25 meters. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's see. Don't apologize for real, you life, dude. My life sucks right now. All right, here we go. This is very important. Hey, how you doing, Raj Tech? Rust might be painful, but I'll go with Rust. Honestly, Rust is not painful once you do it enough. All right, you always got to refresh if you don't run right away. Hey, thank you, Chrisley.
Costco. I love you.
How's the well doing? It's still we might be able to get it midsummer. Oh, crap. I got to get 15. Hey,
Welcome
thank
to
you.
Costco.
Thank you for yet another brand new... Okay, this is actually insane. This is probably more Twitch Primes than I get usually in a 2 to 3 hour stream, and it's happened within like the first 30 seconds. So I don't know what the heck's happening here, but they call me Amazon Prime. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. I only have to get 25 meters for it to be considered a successful quap run, which I already clearly got. Hey, thanks for the follow. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're slowing down. We're slowing down. Come on, no! No! All right. He's practicing offline. Bullshit. All right, are you a CSS master? No, dude. Dude, being a CSS master is like such a weird use of your time. Literally, such a weird use of your time. Hey, what'd you do today? Oh, gosh, I learned like 14 new CSS rules. You should see this one, okay? Hey, guess what? It's Turing complete, okay? It's Turing complete. Guess what I do? Book Turing complete CSS. Weird. Honestly, just weird. Still better experience programming JavaScript. Maybe. I don't know. It's just weird. Magger EU, welcome. Vaccination. Thank you. Okay, so hey, let's get started. I know we're just getting ready, okay? Let's get started. I feel like this is the one. Still better experience. Okay, so I do want to bring you guys some attention.
Welcome to Costco.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Can I or the Scylla Clown? I like the name actually. All right, are you ready, everybody? Hey, Owen Coates, are you ready? Tokyo, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I want to see some. Yes, I'm ready. I'm throbbing. I'm excited. I'm pulsating. I want to see some words that are uncomfortable if said in the presence of your first date. Okay, when will Leptos and WASM be ready? They're already ready. Okay, throbbing, terrified, throbber robber. Let's go. Okay, Gus Warrior. All right, so yesterday I was playing around with a little bit of Node, and I found something. If you do set timeout, and then you provide it, say, a function and console.log, hello. And let's see, then you jump back here because you're an idiot. And then you put this right here. And then you say you put infinity. What's going to happen? Let's put some guesses here. No, please no ruining it if you know. If you don't know, don't just fire up Node and go to Fortnite's going to happen. Fortnite is going to happen.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Let's see, what happens? Let's see, let's go like this. Let's go immediate, forever, error, immediate, forever, or error. Fork bomb. Thank you for promoting other streamers. That's a good, it's a good habit to be in, to be promoting people you enjoy. Just hence, what course? Imagine Prime being able to code a whole game of Fortnite with one line of code. You could. The code line just might be really long. Like, if you really think about it. Subtastic. All right. So I assume most people know the answer to this one. Hey, Westar. By the way, Westar, how you doing? How you doing? I love that people didn't know the answer to this, and they're just voting, right? This is good. This is good. You shouldn't know the answer to
Welcome
this.
to
Conquer
Costco.
code. Hey,
I
Prime,
love
just
you.
coming back to stream after being laid off. Any advice on how to stop being bad at Rust after being a web developer for 2 years with React? Okay, so this is a pretty intense question. So while the votes are trickling in, let's talk about this for a second. Now, first off, the thing about being a good Rust dev is that there's various levels of being good at Rust or good at any programming language, okay? There's like basic familiarity and you're able to build small to medium-sized programs or work in a large code base with others. There's number 2, you're able to build libraries. You're able to do like start large projects yourself. You're able to really, accomplish some big, great tasks. And number 3, there is you contribute to the language itself or to the core libraries in which make the language really, really great, right? You are an influencer, if you will, in that language. Now, I'm somewhere between 1 and 2, right? I don't know if I could design a large project in Rust yet. But I am most certainly familiar. I could create a medium-sized project. I could work in a large code base. I don't think I'd have a lot of trouble doing those things. And so I think that's kind of how you need to gauge yourself first is where are you reasonably and what are your expectations? Like you shouldn't think that you should be able to master lifetimes and all their uses if you're just never programming libraries, right? Like if you're not doing that, then it's obvious that you're not, you're just not getting that repeat experience over and over again. And so I think that it's very, very important to understand what's happening, right? So first you should gauge how good you are. So here's the code right here, right? And then gauge where do you want to improve. I think that a really great way to improve is just find things you want to build, right? Be an app developer first. Don't go for library. Libraries are inherently harder. In every language, they're harder. In TypeScript, they're harder because TypeScript makes you do a bunch of make-believe types in your system, whereas Rust makes you do lifetimes, which dictate performance of your program. You either have to opt into cloning to make it easy to write the library, or you opt into lifetimes to make it super duper fast. All right. And so second off, if Rust is the place you want to be,
Costco. I love you.
Honestly, become great at number 1 and you're hireable. You don't have to become number 2 to be hireable. You just have to become number 1, right? You just simply have to be able to work in medium, be able to build out small to medium projects and be able to work in a large code base, right? What programming fields do you recommend for someone who loves algorithms and logic? And I want to go into AI ML, but realize it's mostly analyzing. That's really hard. I think back-end programming just offers more exciting stuff than front-end. So in general, that's what I think. Ooh, this guy retracts his message. Aren't we all number 1? Number 2, as in taking a shit. Well, if you weren't here to begin with, then your head's full of shit, Yamateru. All right, so this is the breakdown, so watch what happens. Boom. So this one doesn't technically execute immediate, but it does execute immediately. It sets the duration to 1. So I got really curious about that. How did that actually happen, right? So I went a little bit spelunking right here, and I did find this line of code right here. So when you construct a timeout, what ends up happening is if they do a nice little, do you like how they didn't apply they literally could have applied, De Morgan's law here, and it would have just been so much more beautiful, but of course not. It's node source code. So if after is greater than 1 and after is less than this, not that. Anyways, beautiful, huh? Damn node. I know. Isn't it funny? You're such a pro programmer. I don't know how you manage it. I'm not a pro. Anyways, so this is pretty straightforward, right? It doesn't, the warning message is kind of, is not, it makes perfect sense, right? Timeout max is what? 2 to the 31? Yeah, 2 to the 31 minus 1. There you go. Boom. See, 2 to the 31 minus 1. 2 to the 31 minus 1 is effectively what's happening here. That was my other thing. So let's just go here. I don't have my third screen open. Do you like that face I made? I made that face. I made that face unironically. Hold on, let's go like this. X-Render. Do I have my other screen plugged in? I mean, I do. Here, let me turn it on. Like, can I get it plugged in? Because I just love writing. I hate using my mouse. Like, for all things. Using a mouse sucks butt. Okay, we talked about this butt earlier and why sucking it makes no sense. Okay, right now, feel like I'm sucking butt. Oh, gosh, it's not working. See, it's not up. Oh, come on, baby. Don't do me like that. Here, let me try. Okay, I turned it on one more time. Let's see what happens. Because I'd love to be able to use the XP, the Wacom tablet or whatever. Let me try unplugging it, replugging it back in. So there's some fun things that have happened here. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, whatever. Whatever. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. That's okay. That's okay. We don't need that. Let the motherfucker burn. Let the motherfucker burn. Oh, sorry. There you go. For all the curse words that I just accidentally emitted. E-M-I-T. Emit, not emit. Admit. All right, so anyways, so let's go like this. Let's jump in here. So effectively what's happening is that max timeout is going to look something like this, right? So we're going to go in binary here, right? And if you were to have something that looks like this, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, what's going to end up happening is that, of course, this becomes 2's complement, right? If you're not familiar with 2's complement, there's excellent YouTube videos on this. Very, very simple to follow. It's just a way to make math work out when you're in the negative land. So this becomes 1 and a bunch of zeros, which is 2's complement, of course, for negative the highest possible number. All right? Pretty straightforward. So that's why there's a -1. So a little fun trick. If you take any power of 2, right? Any power of 2, wherever that 1 is, right? However far you left shift to 1, that's a power of 2, right? And you -1, it produces a binary number that is up to x with all 1s, right? So if x was 4, it would produce 4 1s, right? Because it shifts that 1 over to the 5th position or the 4th index. Therefore, there would be 4 1s before it, right? So it's a beautiful little trick. So that's what they're doing, is they're making sure that this thing fits in a 32-bit number, because a 32-bit number in Node, it technically, is kind of weird, right? It's confusing. Node is weird. So anyway, so there you go. So if it doesn't work out, they say, too bad, blows up. Then they give you stupid logic right here. And if it's greater than timeout max, it warns like this. Else, it just says this, which is kind of funny, right? So that means when you set it to a 0, it actually sets it to a 1. You know what I mean? Did you know that? Finally caught a live stream. Hey, _funk. Kind of fun, right? Lovely, lovely. Yeah, I know. Just so you're wondering, in Node, it sets it to a 1. It's just different. What's up, Optum Bro? Not getting it is part of the process. Oh, nice. Good Lord. Node is a yikes. Node sometimes is hard yikes. Okay, but then, that doesn't necessarily explain why... Oh, crap, I can never use Firefox. Sorry! That doesn't explain why in Chrome, when you set function and you go console log infinity, it also immediately executes.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
So Chrome does the same thing. Jens, thank you for that Prime for a Prime baby. Oh, baby, let's go, Jens. Appreciate that. Oatsy, serverless, more like server bless. Okay, nice, like it. I'm not getting nothing, just watching. It's Node. If it makes sense, it wouldn't be Node. We abuse timeout 1 to delay it a cycle and let the async function catch up. That doesn't make any sense. It just attaches it to the end of the process event loop, but instead it sets a time. I mean, it should just end a process event loop or a process event list process event loop event list. How much Rust code could a Rust coder code if a Rust coder could code Rust? Think about it. All right. Hey, thank you, Anto. I appreciate that. Anto8. Hey. All right, anyways, what kind of... Oh, hey, thank you for the 14 czar units. I don't know what a czar is, but thank you. Many appreciations. How much code? U size.
And give it to me
U size. What languages, if one Python, do the trick? Why use so many? Because Python's grody. Czar is South African, I think. Oh, nice. Why am I the only Vim user in my class? Because your class is stupid. All right, anyway, so there you go. So this happens too. So then I thought, okay, so why is that happening? So I don't want to ruin it right away. So we started going spludunking down here in the source code units. And what you're going to notice is this right here. I'm still zooming in. We're still zooming in. All right. So the first thing is this little native traits. So it's going to take the first argument, and we're gonna do some sort of conversion of the IDL long into a native value. So you're like, okay. We see what's happening here. I forget where I found it. Let's see. Is any of these it? Let's go right here. Okay. None of those are it. Dang it, I don't have the... Let's see. Do I not have the set timeout? Is this not the set timeout? Set timeout? There's some like set timeout operations, right? You got some set timeout blah blah blahs going on in here. Where is the one? Window or global state? Did I lose the actual? Dang it! I'm gonna have to go find that. Well, poop. Okay, poop. I lost it. All right. So, anyways, so it takes in an argument and it tries to do this like simple little. It does this little simple if statement. If likely int 32 perform a value, else perform slow case, right? So it does this thing. If in 32 we do this, so this is how we do it. There you go. Look at this right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Here it is right here. So we're going to convert our number that we got passed into an int 32, right? So if it is a likely int 32, which this isn't too hard to look at, this makes sense, right? It's obvious, right? If it's a SME, everybody knows what a SME is, right? It's a small integer. I don't know what the range of a small integer is, but effectively what they do is they set some sort of bit in it that prevents a reference or from the engine interpreting it as a reference, but instead as a number, and it stores it in the high word of the 64-bit number. So the 32 bits, the high 32 bits store the SME, and so that's what it does. So if it is a 0, if it is a number, then we do this one. Else we return false. Pretty straightforward, right? Is everyone following what's happening? Likely. JavaScript DX is the beast. Yeah, this code is awful. This is V8, dog. This is V8. Everybody knows. A SME best data type. I know. Get your SMEs out. This is a quality stream. Thank you. So anyways, I was thinking about making this into a YouTube video, right? So it can determine if it's a 32-bit integer by doing this one right here, right? So this little is double 32-bit number. Notice that it has a min int and a max int. So if it's between these or not is -0. -0. Isn't that just so funny? Yo, dog, it's -0. I don't know what fast I2D is. Oh, it's just there is no rounding involved in converting an integer to a double. So this code should compile to a few instructions without any FPU pipeline stalls. Okay, so this is just a static cast. Okay, so this is just like make it into a double, right? That's all that is. That's just like compiler to a double, right? It's gonna have to convert obviously your int into a double to integer. Fast double to integer. Fast double to integer. This does the exact same thing, except for the other one. It does a little D check. Get your D's out, boys. It's D. Do I get banned now? Not -0. It's like taking crazy pills to understand this. Well, you got to remember that, you know, let's see, what's your opinion on Copilot? I do actually want to make a video on Copilot. I have a very, very hot take, but I believe I'm saving my ultra hot take for something else. Anyways, who uses Chrome still?
Welcome to Costco.
You still use Chrome.
I love you.
I'm trying to switch to Dvorak, but yeah, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. You should stick with QWERTY. Don't be an idiot. Honestly, I'm stupid for using this. I wonder what K-Mint min. I think it's what is it? Max int. Okay, so max int, of course. Look at that. So it's 1, 2, 3. There you go. As you can see, avoiding 2's complement. Last bit's not set to 1. It's not negative. This is a signed integer. Right, this is a signed int, avoiding that last bit becoming a 1, because the moment that last bit becomes a 1, if it's all 1s, if it's all Fs, that value is uno. Right? That value is -1. It makes sense, too. It actually makes a lot of sense. If you ever thought about why do 2's complement? So -1 is represented as all 1s, right? So let's just pretend we only have a 4-bit number, right? And I want to add 2 to that number.
Welcome
right?
to Costco. I love you.
And it's a -1, right? This thing's a -1, right? So we're just going to add 2 to -1. So that is 2 and -1. You'd get yourselves out a 1. You get a 0. You got to carry that 1, right? You got to carry that 1. You get a 0. You got to carry that 1. You got a 0. You got to carry that 1. In 2's complement land, we always ignore the overflow. And now we have the value of 0001, or the value 1, which is the value of adding these two things together. Pretty straightforward, right? Pretty easy, huh? Pretty easy. Pretty. YouTube don't see the drawing, by the way. What do you mean YouTube doesn't see the drawing? Of course they see the drawing.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Yeah. Yeah, of course they do. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward how two's complement works. Okay, so we kind of figure out what's going on here, right? So it does a lot of checks going on here, right? So it has to convert it into a IDL long, which an IDL long, when you find where it's, I forget where the hell that thing is defined. It's just a 32-bit number, if I'm not mistaken. It's like hard-coded 32-bit number. Anyways, so there you go. So int fast makes a lot of sense, right? Int fast makes a lot of sense. All it's going to do is it's going to take an int32 to a double value, right? Is int32 double? It's going to convert from double to integer, and from integer to double equals the value, right? Do you see what it's doing here? It's going to cast it twice, static cast, into an int, back into a double, and if it is the same number, we got ourselves a 32 int double. That makes perfect sense. If it's within the range, awesome, we still make sense, and it's not -0. Awesome, we got it, right? So that's pretty straightforward, I'd say. Nothing crazy going on here. Let's back it up. All right, so there we go. So we understand how this thing works, right? We can understand exactly how this thing works. So if that happens to work well, where's our code here? All right, I think we're not 2 int 32 slow. We don't want that. We don't want this. We have 2 of these. So I think, which one can I go back on? I can't go back on either of them. This is the one that we want to go back on? I hate that it's like not doing loading, so I don't know what's happening. Am I just going to fly away? All right, so I think I'm going back. It doesn't, there we go. All right, so anyway, so we've covered this whole 2 and 32. So if it is likely this, which we understand what it is now, we get to do this nice little fast one, right? Else we do the slow case, which, the slow case, we already have kind of gone over that as well, right? Here's the slow state. Effectively, hey, first we verify it's not a 32-bit int, right? It can't do the fast case, which it does the fast check twice. Kind of seems a little silly, right? It does a nice little try block, value to number. If we have an exception state, we return 0. Very, very important, right? Double value configuration and force range, right? Look at this. How fantastic is that? We do a little is nan check. If it is a nan, it returns 0. That's why if it's infinity, returns 0. So when you do a set timeout 0, when it gets converted into a 32-bit number in the int32 slow case, it goes right in and returns 0. And so that's why when you do a set timeout infinity, you actually find yourself getting a set timeout 0. Checks out. Math checks out. Maria. All right, that was really cool. So thanks for digging into that. Yeah, I had some good help from my my ex Chrome developer friend named Alexi, who works at Netflix now. How do you code on the go? Do you take your Kinesis? No. I just have a laptop. Paint pack on. That's why, and that's the way the cookie crumbles. So he's getting familiar with the code base. No, I'm just playing around. A little D check. Yeah. Is it browser independent? No, it's browser dependent. So this is actually, as you can see, this is a V8 binding code. So every browser that implements it may implement it differently. That's also a fun fact. If I knew how Firefox worked, I would just execute some code in here, but gosh, I have no idea how Firefox works. Here, let's try to do this. Inspect. Console. Let's try this. All right.
Welcome
set
to Costco.
timeout.
I love
function. Console log hello. They probably have something very. Yeah, there you go. So it executes immediately as well. So you'd have to dig into Firefox, but I don't know if Firefox is open source. Is it Firefox open source? I can't remember. Pretty good. Thank you for the follow. Parse. Yeah, I'm sorry, a little late. Can you recap all the way from the beginning? No. Sorry, a little late. Could you redo the whole stream for me? Just for me, though. Nobody else. Those guys. I believe it's partially open source. So anyways, me too. Firefox is the open source browser. I'm pretty sure that was a joke. Mozilla made Rust its open source. Of course. Mozilla is made of Rust. It's open source, of course. Dude, that phrase is just hard to even see. Firefox is open source. Most importantly, Firefox is fully open source. We'll wait. Firefox is OSS MDN. Firefox is the definition of open source. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Define open source. Denoting software for which the original source code is made freely available and may be redistributed and modified. Okay, so you're full of shit. Firefox is not the definition of open source. Okay? Okay? So shut your dirty text up right now. Shut it up. Shut it up. Get wrecked, child. Child. Okay? Okay? Get him out. Get him out.
Before the storm as the round
We don't
begins.
want none of this. Here's the deal. All right, here's the deal. If somebody else tells me that the definition of open source is Firefox, I want you to get Merriam-Webster out, but instead of looking it up, I want you to just hit him with that thick book. Teach them a little lesson. Talk to them in the most gentle way known to man, which is being beaten by a book. Get him out. Get him out.
Before the storm as the round
We don't
begins.
want none of this. It's fact. Get the... What the hell is even that? Daddy chill. Daddy chill. Daddy chill. Hey, Xerotech,
Welcome
thank
to
you.
Costco.
Firefox comes with every
I love
Linux distro. It should be open source because we won't private corporate BS in our Linux systems. Yeah, dude, are you excited to use Chrome? Mozilla Firefox is free and open source software built by the community from thousands all over the world. Firefox is made available to you under the terms of Mozilla's public license. Is that why Firefox is such horseshit? Cheers, Firefox. I would work on a Rust project with Prime and Benny any day. Same here, baby. If I ever have to hire some people, I'm going to definitely do that. Can we Rust now, please? So anyway, so there we go. We got ourselves, hey, nice F. So we got ourselves pretty far. Was that a fun little tidbit? Was that a fun little tidbit? Did you guys enjoy the little thing? Do you think that that could be like a good YouTube video, by the way? I can't believe there's 900 people in here. Anyways, do you think that could be like a good little YouTube video? Do you think we got something going here?
Welcome to Costco.
Okay,
I love
TJ.
you.
What am I... self-promotion, TJ. You didn't click for more definitions. There you go. You got yourself 1 minute of unbroken eye contact for that comment. Okay, now enjoy this song
Welcome
that's
to
playing.
Costco. I love you.
Why are you staring at me? Because Beastco, you have such beautiful thighs. Okay, I don't understand why you don't let me just look at them. Okay, they're at eye level because you're 6'12". It's all in the small print. Yeah, YouTube video. Top 10 ways to define definition. You'll never guess what number 7 is. Love this detailed stuff. It's actually software hard development these days. Yeah, although my system lagging. Open source Prime, let's go. All right, Prime, you had to hold it until it was a thumbnail. I know, I did. All right, TJ, that was pretty good. I'm going to give it a like. All right, you guys ready for this? Oh, no. I'm always very, I don't trust Mastodon accounts. I don't know what it is, but every time there's an issue, Mastodon accounts always choose the worst takes. They're like worse than hexagonal profile pictures. Okay?
Welcome to Costco.
You know what I mean?
I love you.
They're the worst version of hexagonal pictures. I don't know what it is, but they somehow always have the worst takes. Worst takes always. I don't know what it is. I don't know how it exists, but somehow their takes are so bad. Firefox is like, okay, goodness gracious, you're still talking about that. That's because Mastodon accounts you follow aren't academics. They're engineers. I don't follow academics either. Okay, I just want to follow the person that's doing the best shit posting, okay? So you know what? That's why I don't like to follow people, because every time you follow somebody, you log on once and some stupid thing comes up and you're just like, damn it, now I have to unfollow them. Here's my opinion on how to balance the budget in America. You're like, dude, first off, it's a really complex issue. And your 140 characters aren't going to fix all the woes of the universe. Shut up! Shut up! Stop it! Stop it! Mastodon is a waste of time. Just stop! Why would you choose to argue on Twitter? Okay, this is not even the real Jack Forge. I'm being bamboozled. I'm being bamboozled. Jack Forge. Man, Jack Forge. Dude, I can't even find him. There we go. Here you go. Here's someone that says funny posts on Twitter. Go follow this guy, okay? See? Hilarious. Can I buy only a course in front end? No, you cannot. Jack is funny. Jack's funny. The CEO of HTML. I know. Let's see. That's nice argument, Prime. Unfortunately, you use TypeScript unironically. Yes, my job makes me. Jack is an amazing follow. Amazing follow. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, wait. Bing is okay with reverse image search? That's a cute puppy, too. It is a cute puppy. There you go. Anyways, the people constantly talking about Elon were a million times more annoying than Elon. Dude, I'm on team. I'm on team. If there's two teams, if there's Elon Musk team and people talking about Elon Musk, I would rather be on Musk team than the people talking about Elon Musk team. If there's like a third team, which is just like, I'm going to mute all those accounts, that's my favorite team. Okay? That's my favorite team. That's the team I want to be on. Musk team over the Elon. Yeah, I know. The other one. Yeah, you know, it's just like none of those are what I want to do. Elon Musk's not going to come on stream. Okay, so let's start doing some stuff. All right, are you guys ready for this? Team PrimeageN? Yeah, I'd rather be on team meme shitlord. That's why Elon Musk gets the +1 and wins here, is because at least he memes from time to time, right? That's what I want. I just mostly want you to talk about nothing. That's all I care about. When I go on Twitter, I just want to see a stupid meme, okay? That's why I follow Trash Dev. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, let's do this. Terrible memer. It's hard to be a good memer. Okay, so let's start doing this. We're in server done now. For those that have forgotten what we have done, we've done this. Let's go like this. Let's start up a new one and go. Oh my goodness, that's ls. What are we doing here? It's spin up. Is it spin up? There we go. So we have now created 2 routes in our serverless world right here, in which we can go localhost 3000 Rust Me Daddy. Whoopsies. Or hello Twitch chat for the line. So there we go. So we're getting a place now. So now we have some things to do. I want to see if I want to see if Leptos. Did you see Leptos has a logo now? Apparently they had a logo before. It was just so bad that nobody knew it existed. Hey, thank you for all the follows, by the way. And the star for that Twitch Prime. Let's go. 7 months. Let's go. 7 months. Let's go. Twitch Prime. Very hard to do. Sin90X again. 10 months. Tier 1. Out of your mind. Joel. Let's go. Free Helix. Learning stack. Yeah. Are you on a Team Rust or against it? I'm on Team Rust. I used to be against it. I was heavy anti-Rust. And again, the reason why I end up using a lot of technologies, Prime was baited into Rust due to shitposts. Though often why I will use subroutes. You can make, what do you mean by subroutes? Mostly PrimeageN's fault. It really is. But real talk, it is. It's okay. It's okay to say that. I'm on Team Rust, but I was mostly against Team Rust, and this largely goes. ¿Por qué, Maria? This largely goes with one thing on Rust. The reason why I didn't like it is the community, right? I felt like the syntax was kind of baloney. I thought they did kind of a poor job on some of their syntactical choices. Like I wish they would have just made closures with parentheses instead of bars, right? Just try to like stick with some conventions that just make things nice and It's annoying, right? Even C++ does that, right? Because they do capture list, parentheses, and then that, right? I don't know. I'd rather see this. No, I don't agree that that's Pog, right? I don't think this is Pog, okay? Because you know what you get? You end up getting the toilet operator, okay? No one wants the toilet operator. Nobody wants the toilet operator. Bar closures fuck me up so hard. Yeah, exactly. Another wrong opinion? No, I don't think so. I think making your syntax as normal as possible is perfectly reasonable. Okay? I think that's perfectly reasonable. I don't think C++ did a good job. Like, I don't like the fact that I have to do a capture list, but the fact that the parentheses denote the arguments like a function My dad is a toilet operator in China. I don't even know what that is, Dr. Pong Linus. Would that be legal? Yeah, why not, TJ? TJ, why not? Why not? Duh, TJ. Vec, bang me 1, 2, 3. Iter. Map. I don't know where my stuff is, right? So you could totally go like that. Why not? Why not? Oh my goodness, my beautiful wife is calling me. This is really unusual. Yes, beautiful wife, with whom is calling me? Oh, she has COVID. Dang it, Kaylee. Does that mean we have COVID now? This would be like my 5th time. I'm like COVID immune at this point. Oh, does that mean we can't go have Oh, all right. All right, love you, bye. My babysitter went off and got COVID. Now I'm gonna probably have COVID for the actual 5th time. Damn it! How many times am I gonna get COVID? I don't even know. How do I keep getting it? Ugh, dang it! 5th time. How did it bug COVID? I don't know. I've had it enough that how many boosters? I don't have any boosters. Let's see. This just became a super spreader event, everybody. Literally, I've had it 5. This would be my 5th time if I had it. A hilarious Kaylee story. She shows up 30 minutes late to the babysitter Prime's kiddos, and then we went to the party on the wrong day. You can confirm. Yes, this happened. Kaylee did do that. Kaylee did do that. I'm vaccinated. It's not. I'm just not boosted. How many times have you had the flu? I don't even remember. I haven't had the flu in years. Or if I do have it, I don't know that I have it. I have no idea. I literally can't remember what the flu feels like. I can remember what getting food poisoning feels like, though. That shit's awful. Oh, you get an extra pair of chromosomes? All right, let's go! If you get the flu, it would be a fluke. Yeah, I didn't get COVID at all until I went backpacking with just my father. Damn it, Dad! Got him! Food poisoning is the worst, dude. It's so bad. Food poisoning is so bad. Food poisoning is so bad. All right. I hate food poisoning. What's the title? Anyways, let's see. World premiere, die suddenly. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to worry. I don't even know. What is this? I don't even know who you are. I don't like what you're doing. So you bet these other 4 messages. Do you Apex? Cry. PrimeageN, can you Apex in Ubuntu? Rumble, got that. You about to get banned? Is that what I'm saying here? I don't know what you're doing, Pudgy Pa. I just got food poisoning. Is it not the worst? Food poisoning is the worst, dude. It is. It comes out of every end. Every orifice in your body, something's happening. You're like tearing up, snot's coming out, your ears hurt, vomit out of the mouth, hot dye. Oh my gosh, title should be Node to Infinity. Anyways, all right. So now that we've done that, so toilet operator, people. Toilet operator. All right. All right, so we have our stuff here. I think I should be able to, I think if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to delete everything in here because we're not even compiling this thing right here. I should just be able to actually delete this whole thing, in fact, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go cargo toml, name server none, do this, authors, lib, create. Nope, this thing is not a lib, but there is dependencies. So I learned this little cool trick from TJ. You want to see a cool trick from TJ? You want to see a cool trick from TJ? Watch this. You can take these dependencies, right? Let's make sure I didn't actually just destroy myself. Spin build. No targets. Ah, well, damn it. Did I, do I have to have something like that? Okay, so I do have, how do I get rid of that? Lib.rs. All right, there's, okay, hey, come on. Here, let's just quit. What's going on there? What's going on there? Lib.rs. Yeah, okay. Blah, shut up. There you go. I'm just going to quit it one more time. We may have screwed up everything here. All right. Spin, let's go spin build. There we go. So we have our two things being ran, right? We're doing a little WASI release, blah, 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 blah. We're building everything. And here's one of my problems that I had. See this big old dependency nonsense? This is from TJ again. TJ. Is I had to copy these dependencies. Isn't that terrible? Well, it turns out you don't have to do that. You can actually go like this. Let's go like this. Space equals dot star and replace that with dot work space equals true, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that should still work out, so let's do another spin build. Okay, so it's not that, it's workspace dependencies. Well, foo. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna give him the old fighting one-eyed Kirby dot star dot workspace, and go workspace dot /1. There we go. Is that right? Let's go. Oh, what's this? Let's see. Oh, what's going on? TJ, help! No, you were right. Well, TJ, help! Let's see, hold on. Let's see, error reading dependencies dot anyhow from workspace root manifest. Workspace dependency is anyhow. TJ, what's wrong with me? The chat delayed. Help, TJ, help! All right, cargo, Tommel. Oh, anyhow's 1. What the hell is that? That doesn't look like a version. That don't look like no version. I'm watching Michael Scott coding. This is beautiful. You need to make sure you have workspace dependencies defined in the root. What does that even mean? TJ, can you just send me an example? I don't know this thing. There, let's see. This is great, chat. That hides warning messages until you fix the error. Oh, nice. Programming. Ooh, what is this? Yes. No, just link me. I don't need this. You need to specify a work. Oh, dependencies.workspace. Oh, so I'm going to go like this. And then hit him with that. Damn it. That's not it either. TJ, just shoot me the example. We don't need to have a long talk about it. It's multiple files, so it's confusing. Great crate. Cargo limit. Yeah, that looked insane. Yeah. Scream. Ah! Workspace dependencies, anyhow equals this. Yeah, this is the root cargo Tommel. Workspace dependencies. Oh, do I have it backwards? There we go. Let's go. There we go. So we can do that. We can go to my other file. Now look at this. 8 down, VAPP. Look at that. I gave the old VAPP. Have you ever given something the old VAPP? It's one of the best things out there. Hey, Crimson Man, how you doing? VAPP. You got to give it the VAPP, okay? VAPP is one of the greatest moves ever, okay? Are you not familiar with the VAPP? Here, let's go like this. I think if I go to Reg, I'll see it. All right, yeah. So we'll go like this, 0P. There we go. So I'm going to adapt that. So then I'll undo. See, so VAP highlights visual paragraph. P, paste the previous one. Paste. The VAPP. Okay? Show us your VAPP. Your VAPP. Why am I paying to be here? Because you want to be here. Not the hip kind of ill either. Oh, no. Dude, you're ill? Oh, dude, Crimson Mana. My babysitter has COVID, and she did babysit for us 2 days ago, so I may have COVID. It's not WAP. No, definitely you don't want WAP. That's not what you're talking about, okay? Call the doctor if you got WAP. Prime doesn't read YouTube chat. That's stunned. Okay, shut up, trash. I do too. He's actually alive. Or you gave her COVID. Oh, the greatest turnaround ever. It was my kids that gave the COVID. That's ancient Vim usage, actually. Use our regex to substitute text. If you select the lines, it'll operate. Yeah. Nude adult dating chat for free? Girls, let's go. Oh, baby, I can finally meet a lady. This whole chat GPT girlfriend thing can end. Let's go. No more chat GPT girlfriends. Let's go. You gave her the VAPI. Yeah. She heard about my VAPP. And just knew right away. All right, so anyways, so we got this thing going. So now let's try to get Leptos out. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm doing to get Leptos out, to tell you the truth. I don't even know how to do this. So we're just going to try, okay? We don't even know. Let's go like this. ls, present working directory. Okay, cd other. All right. And let's go cargo add Leptos. Okay, features SSR. That's probably correct. My guess is I want SSR because I'm producing something. I'm producing something on the server. For whatever reason, I found that cargo has a really... Oh, before we do this, let's actually save this whole thing and go like this. Feet, multi-route... let's see, multi-route fermion Rust WASM serverless. Right? Get it all in there. Just get everything in there. I don't have a repository. I don't have a suppository. Well, let me get a suppository. You know what I'm talking about? React without React. No, Leptos is amazing. Leptos is fantastic. Oh, look at that. I'm about to have 10,000 followers on GitHub. I don't care. Anyways. Hey, what do you get out of GitHub followers? I don't know. Don't care. Don't know. WASM serverless. Let's see. Rust WASM serverless. There we go. Boom. Let's go. So I also want to try to play around with Vercel. We'll try Vercel. Let's see. Get remote add origin. Bam. Get push origin master. Force. No. Verify. I got everything in there. Quality. Bible Dumb Primes crushed me with GitHub followers. Yeah, that's right. Bisco's correct. Vercelli. Following. Oh, real, let's go. L repo name. You are an L repo name. Dude, okay, fine. You guys want to name my repo? I am creating the greatest Rust plus WASM plus serverless repo. But I, much like my server, am nameless. What should I call it? And post. And grab this. Okay, now everybody, whatever's the most liked one, I'll go like this. Most liked gets the name. Boom. Do that. Ooh, actually, here, I'll discard that one. And I'll go like this. Edit tweet. Most liked gets name. Boom. Like it. All right, so now all you got to do is go name it for me. Go name it for me. Okay? Name it for me. Okay, tough YouTube? It's a rendition of Stuck in the Middle. Yeah. You can edit tweets, obviously, since the Rust WASM serverless is the best name combination. It's just Rustmaless. All right. A name clearly should be Bisco. Well, then vote on it, Bisco. Okay, I gotta be right back. I gotta pee. Make sure you like the tweet or people won't see it. All right. Rewrite Twitter and Rust. I was wondering. All right, let's see if we got any good names here. I'll rename it the moment I get the moment we've let it go for a little bit. Rusties, less server, less furious. Suck it, JS. Serverless is just other people's computers. Shitwas. Shit WS. Greatest Rust WASM serverless repo, like my server nameless. Live now. Plus Rust serverless, Rust WASMless, Rustless, Rusty trash, Uber Rust, Rusty serverless WASM PP LOL. Oh my goodness, you guys are terrible at this. Server minus, blazingly fast. Rusty Daddy, Blazer. This is not named by Twitch. I promise. VAP, egg, toilet operator. Go ain't good. That's pretty funny. I got COVID. Come on. That's not funny. Whoa! Okay, study time. You literally keep rating me, but I am like not rating you. You get off too early. It's like I can't even get on in time
Welcome
to raid you.
Costco.
Rising Phoenix. The man, the myth, the legend. Plastic Army
Welcome
Thug.
to Costco.
Let's go.
I love you.
Plastic Army Thug. Didn't you make one of these names I just laughed at you for making? And then you give me a Twitch Prime like that? That's what she said. She did say that. Hi, it's just us. We're doing this again. I went to a nice Italiano restaurant. Got a white sauce Alfredo. The Italian restaurant's name, Sabatino's. It was delicious. Had a glass of red wine. It was delicious. A bunch of Italianos came in. Have you tried a lit from Google? No. Olive Garden. Olive Garden. I went to Olive Garden. Olive Garden. Excellente. Is that where you got COVID? No. That reminds me of some Alfredo in the fridge. Be right back. Ooh, that's nice. Let's see. This. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? I love a good glass of bread wine. Nothing like a good serverless WASM. But what would ChatGPT name the repo? That's a great question. ChatGPT. I don't have it on auto. Whatever it is, go here. Go here, jump over here, do that thing, because I don't trust YouTube chat, honestly. Where's the login? Try ChatGPT. Log it in. Oh, dang it! I'm just going to go with Rising Phoenix. It was Rising Phoenix. Rising Phoenix. Oh, my goodness. Rising Phoenix, my biggest fear right now is that you're going to join. Okay, so on Friday evening, my wife and I are going to be doing a co-stream. We're going to play Bad Men or Boo Men. Bad Men, Boo Men. Boo Men. And we're going to rob houses while ghosts try to kill us. And my wife gets night terrors and is easily frightened. And you or Crimson Mana are going to join in and throw in one of those subs, and my wife is going to scream so hard she'll never play video games with me again. That's what I think is going to happen, okay? You mean COVID Steam, not co-stream? Wonderful combination. It will be great. So I will do the aiming. She will do the interacting. PrimeageN, yesterday I did a perf test using Java versus Rust where I used quicksort to reverse sort of 3,000 numbers, and Java was very close. Nah, not too surprising. Java has an amazing just-in-time compiler, and like these really simple operations can be put down into this can be amazing, right? Dr. Chicken Nipples. You would never see an Italian eating in an Italian restaurant outside of Italy. Okay, you want us to interact with your wife? I get it, fam. I got a pineapple. I don't know what this means. Is that left? No, it's just I3. I'm not a hipster. Okay, let's get back into this. All right, so let's try to do this whole, while you guys are busy naming my library, use a Leptos, right? I should be able to just go like that. I think that's the thing that we got to do. And so now I'm going to go to Vim Royale, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to go to, not client, server main. And let's see if I can just, minimally, I just want to return something small, right? So let's just try this. Yeah, let's see if I can grab that and paste that in. Let's go, let's see, const HTML. Let's see, is it HTML? Let's go HTML, which is going to be a static str equals, can I just do one of those? No, I think I just can do this, right? So we can just go head.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
That should be HTML, take one of those, body. There we go. Hey, thank you for that. Hey, I appreciate that, Vachi corn. And of course, Azado egg. Hey, but really, oh my goodness. Hey, but real talk, if you're still there, study time, I do want to raid you. Okay, I'm trying to raid you. Stop raiding me. I want to raid you. Can you just stream longer and I'll raid you? You've raided me like 4 times. Thank you. I'm not sure if I rated it correctly. Mittens the Commins, raid me, BB. No. Well, what's the name of that theme? Rose Pine. Are you good? You are correct. From now on, I'm stopping following every single person on Twitch and fully concentrating on programming. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Yep. Bing Pout. I feel like Rustussy would be better. Dear Mr. Primeagen, thank you for your inspirational video on how to get hooked on learning and finishing university. You are welcome. For those that don't know, we go to my studio. Go to studio. Go on this one. This one's been crushing it, by the way. Look at that. That one's crushing it. PogChamp face. But do you like how Google, like, look at this. YouTube just oopsie-daisied all the data. What happened to your data? I have no idea. Where'd it go? I don't even know. Anyways, they're talking about this story. Where did it go? I don't know. Anyways, this one right here. Math Netflix. Bam, boom. 242. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, I'm making so many dollars. I'm going to retire, damn it. I dodged the gifted sub. I can't live under your reign, Prime. I'm Dobby sock free. I'm not even sure what the hell you're talking about, Mittens the Killer Bunny. Brokeback mounted server. That's right. I love YouTube Studio. I love gamifying capitalism. I'm not sure what that means. I think it's really great that they provide an interface for me to see my stats. That's nice. Because imagine making videos and you have no idea if anyone watches them ever. Damn, gamifying is enough to Rust. Let's see, best tech influencer. Thank you, Merc1. Yeah, I still work at Netflix. Have interest in some reverse engineering? Nope, none. Have you tried Lit? No, it's not. Okay, anyways. So let's just do this, and let's go like this. In my body. Bitty. In my bitties. In my bitties. There we go. Yank that thing. And then we're just going to go here, VI that. Oh, whoopsies. What is it? It's quotes. Whoopsies. Quotes 0p? Yeah, we got it. First try. First try. And then let's create a little component. Let's jump back here. I always forget how to do these little components. Let's go to Vim Royale. I don't like what we're listening to. I mean, I like the pamplemousse, but I want something with more like juice to it. You know what I mean? I want something with much more juice to it. Right now, I'm not feeling juiced up. You know what I mean? I want to feel juiced. I want to feel juiced out of my mind. Okay? Juiced. Can we just get juiced? Thank you, Yellow Ace. You are correct, sir. From now on, I am stopping following every single person on Twitch and fully concentrating on programming. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Trying to chase my manager to give me a copy of Zero to Prod Rust. Thanks, Prime, for the plug. Yeah, I thought it was good. Juicy or juicy. Look at that. That's a sweet one. Front end hoodie. Yeah, we're literally doing front end. We're literally doing the end that happens to be the front. Why can't I? That was, oh yeah, comments get all jacked up. I forgot about that. All right, let's go like this. Let's go in here and oopsies. Let's go down here. Let's paste that in. Oh.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
There we go. Go here. Let's delete that. Let's paste in the other thing. And let's do this. Vim Royale app. Let's do that thing. Scope. Let's get rid of this crap. View. Background. I am a div.
Welcome to Costco.
You are a div. Apology banned me for saying your mom. Okay. Oh, can I not? Can I? Do I have to? I thought I could just do this. Do I have to do something like this? Yeah. Okay. Okay, silly. By the way, did you like that macro? Did anyone even realize I just hit a macro that quick? Did anyone notice that sweet macro? Hey, since when was Primeagen is streaming? Well, if you were a part of the announcements channel in the Discord, you would know all about it. Look at this. I do it right here. I do it right there. I announce it. I let you know what's happening for free every time. Thank you. Tomo, welcome. Why not read me, MDS? Why not read yourself, dummy? Was the macro repeating for the X-lax actions? I did it in the middle while doing it. That was a nice macro. Thank you. The best kind of macros are the ones you didn't even see happening, okay? The best macros are the ones we met along the way. All right, so app. There we go. And now we just need the data replace in my biddies with Let's go like that. And let's go like this G capital U word. Oh! I never get to use these. I never get to use G capital word. Okay? You never get to use that. Executive suite member, let's go. Let's go. Thank you for the follow. Or Lorja. Oh, fix a warning. We can fix that. We can fix it. Let's see. HTML equals this. Blah, blah, blah. Do one of these. And then let's go like this. CA that. HTML. Let's go. I think we should be all good here. Replace. Yeah, oh, you can't do that on this thing. Well, it technically works out. I think I need to upgrade to the newer version of Leptos for this to work out because it's SSR. It actually returns a string, not an element, though it looks like it's returning an element, but it's actually not. This should be returning a string. I don't know what's going on there. So let's just see what happens here. Can we spin build? Spin build. Spin build. Did we? I don't even want to look at it. It looks like that. And most other languages don't seem to be close to Rust on WASM support. This man being using macros like marketing people gravitating to Excel as a database system. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Quap you daddy. Oh, Pierre. Hey, guess what? Quap me daddy. Let's get quapped up, kids. Kids, let's do this. All right, if you want to be a part of the will I do this train, if you're a part of this, you need to be on Twitch. Fact of life. If you want to be a part of this, how far will I make it in co-op? How far will I make it in 3 tries on co-op? You got to make the money, the big bucks. You got to come in here. You got to swing that big thing around. Well, a VTuber just popped up over on my channel. I just got VTubered, people. Felt good. All right, sums of 3 runs. Best of 3. Best of 3. Here we go. All right, how far am I going to make it in co-op? Let's find out. What is my title, by the way? Oh, yeah, we're doing serverless. Let's go. It's actually going pretty well. All right, so mostly people thinking those 25 to 50. No one thinks less than 10.
Welcome to Costco.
It has happened. Polar Mutex. Welcome back, my friend. 22 months of Twitch Prime. You, my friend, are a champion. Instead of noob-tubed, get V-tubed. Yeah, I got V-tubed. Not a big deal. I mean, I'd be pretty impressed if I were you. Viewers in your region can only predict without using any Rustolians. What is this? Oh, that's because your country has deemed that if you take Rustolians and you bet on a prediction, it's actually equivalent to you gambling or being bamboozled by the FaZe clan. Herman BC, can you believe? Hey, thank you very much for that Twitch Prime. Can you believe that FaZe clan still exists?
Welcome to Costco.
Reggie, thank you very much. Can you believe they actually still predict? Or they still exist? It's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, predictions are in. Let's go. How far am I gonna make it? YouTube is real, man. It's not. All right, how far am I going to make it in co-op? Let's find out. Here we go. Are you ready? Who thinks I'm going to make it? Who thinks? I hope that we got some winners in here. Here we go. 3 tries. 3 tries. 3 tries. Oh, I almost just went out of the screen. All right, there we go. Yes. Yes.
Welcome to
yes.
Costco.
Hey, thank you.
I love you.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're already into the most populated category, the 25 through 50 category, which is really a good bet when you think about it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Tippy-toed. Oh, I just twinkled and got out of it, people. No. 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 Oh. No. 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 Damn it. Damn it. All right. That's 44 meters. Dude, I got out of it, got back into it. Oh my goodness, that jump was so high. I could have leapt the hurdle coming up. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. All right, we got this. All right, we got this. Let's go. Dude, I hate the hurdle. I hate it. I hate it. I hate the hurdle so much. All right, I hate the hurdle so much. All right, 56. That's the number to beat. I hate the stupid... I know. Karen, it's like you're just trying to put one foot in front of the other. And yet, people cheer when you can't even get 1 foot. Karen, I don't know if I can keep... I don't think I can keep doing this! I literally can't believe I just died to that crap. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was ridiculous. I'm a little chapped right now. I'm a little chapped. What has amazed me is after all these games, PrimeageN still hasn't found the Easter egg in this game. Wait, there's an Easter egg? Shut up. There's not an Easter egg. There's not an Easter egg. Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Okay, why is my brother... Appreciate all those biddies. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, hey, Tokyo! Wait, I thought it was best of 3. No, it's not average. No, ew. All right, anyways. Okay, hold on. Wait, am I still... Wait, no. There we go. So, yeah, Leptos features SSR. Oh, do I have to go like this? Do I have to do some sort of, like, default... Is it default features equals false? Do I have to do that? I never remember this part. I swear I just feel stupid every single time I do this. Okay, I think I made it further this time. Did I? I don't even know. I can never remember. Let's go! Oh my goodness, up. What? What? What does that mean? What does that mean? That's as good as, let's see, 100 to 0. What's up, Brian? By the way, you're still in just chatting. Yeah, that's fine. How many dogs do you have? I have 2. Black Labs. What Vim plugin? So the cursor is always in the middle of the screen. Oh, that's just me remapping some things. What is a great WASM book? I don't even know. All right, so I actually have... So these are one of those things where I don't even know how to fix this, right? Like I wouldn't even have the slightest clue on how to do something with this. So that's the real question is, what do I do here to do this? I should probably take Leptos, honestly, and go to my root one, honestly, and put that in here. I think that it needs to be in here. Refuses to be instantiated. I know. Rustmate Daddy needs to be instantiated. Okay, calm down. So there we go. So let's do that. Let's go back to other file, cargo toml, and let's go like this. Leptos, right? So I also just want Leptos. Let's cargo spin build. So I can definitely build it. I just can't go up on it. Okay, so it failed to instantiate component. This. Okay, so what is going on here? What is your malfunction? Stack Overflow, like all the professionals. This doesn't exist in Stack Overflow land, probably. Maybe it does. Let's find out. So let's start with the easiest thing to do, which is just, oh gosh, not that one. This almost never works out when it comes to Rust stuff. Let's see. Thanks for it. Looks like a while. Let's see. Has been. May have not been executed, or the wrong WASM file is being used, perhaps. Well, what is this? This looks like the word. I see the word Webpack template. Well, this looks stupid. This is not what I want to see. Okay, so I'm definitely out. Yo. Let's see. Well, what is the setup for your terminal? Sending those visuals for Git look really helpful. That's just, oh, that's nothing. That's nothing. That ain't nothing. Okay, so it's missing that. That's what I want to. Actually, let's go like this. Let's get rid of those things. We probably don't need that, and let's get rid of this side. Maybe I'm not doing the right
Welcome to
compile command. You know what I mean? All right, so this is most certainly not the right stuff. Linking. I don't think we're in the right. I don't think we're in the right. I don't think we're. Let's see. Try ChatGPT. I can't log into ChatGPT right now. I can't even use it if I want to. First time on your stream. Just finished configuring my NeoVim for the first time. Thanks for your videos. Nice. Leptos is way faster and works through reactive DOM updates. Updating. This is true. This is true. Let's make our own ChatGPT. Yeah, screw it. Dog.
Welcome to
Just
Costco.
remap.
I love you.
Yeah, just remap, dog. Just remap. Are you targeting WASI, which doesn't support DOM? That could be it. Maybe. So, let's see. So go cargo. In my cargo toml, this is how I'm compiling it. Let's see. Where's the compile? Oh, wait. Oh, no. It's in my spin. I'm doing a WASM 32 WASI. So that's the thing is I actually have no idea if this does or does not work, right? So how do we build this? Because I always typically, so far whenever I've done anything, here's the problem about magic stuff. This is why I always hate this, is because you end up using something. So like right now for Vim Royale, when I do Vim Royale client, right, I'm using trunk, right? I don't know what trunk does, right? I have no idea what it does. Target WASM 32 unknown. But I feel like that's not going to work for me then, right? And so what do you think about Lunar Vim? I don't think so. Let's see. Can anyone give me the TLDR of what Rust is? A programming language. I'm not going to lie to you. You should be able to probably go look some of those things up. Let's see. WASI, aka WASM engine outside the browser. See, that's the thing is I need to use the WASI. I need to use WASI, right? Let's see, what was the WASI draw recently? Oh, I don't even know. Rust or bust. So that's the thing is I really don't know. I can't imagine this is going to work. Yeah. It just doesn't make any sense that this is going to work. I feel like that it doesn't make no sense. I'm sure it has to do with this target, but I don't know how to do that. Let's see, TLDR, clear liquid. Leptos Cloud Flare, right? There was a Leptos Cloud Flare thing just recently. Does anyone have that? See, everything's missing Leptos. I need Leptos in there. Does anyone know of a good resource for me to like look at? Because what I don't understand the building process, right? Right? If you don't have a Kinesis Ergo keyboard, you probably don't need Rust. You're probably just chatting, Carrie. Maybe that's why you got YouTube VTubed. Put double quotes around the phrase Google. You want to be required. Oh, that classic diagram, really, when you think about it. Polka dot. Polka dot. Polka dot. Polka dot. Let's actually go. Let's go back for a second. Let's go like this. Let's go fermion. I swear I saw the word Leptos. Let's see. Leptos is a build just in front of an app running in Spin. We're starting to explore what Spin needs to support, what integrations would look like in tutorial. Right. Let's see. Oh. Well, that's. Wait, WebRTC? Why are we talking about WebRTC here? I feel like we might have some things that aren't quite the same. Can you make WebSocket? Can you make WebSocket connections to? Okay, I'm confused at what I'm even looking at. How did I get here? I'm sitting here thinking, like, why would, man, you have ice surface, you have like all these things. Yeah, okay. I mean, you have the full 9 yards for WebRTC, but I'm just more curious, what am I getting out of this, right? Yeah, no, I know that. Does include let's see. Yeah, I figured this is the problem, right? But that doesn't somehow make it easier. Hey, thanks for the content. Yes. I don't know why it is happening. Let's see. I think I've already done this, right? If I'm not mistaken, I have all these commands already ran. I'll rerun them. I should have all these things already. I should always be on nightly. I pretty much always am trying to do that. But I need WASI, right? Because I don't think I can use Fermion without WASI. Hey, no problem. Stinky winks. Stinkle winks. Right, if I'm not, let's see. Web runtime WASI. Rust cargo. All right. Let's see, cargo builds. Yes, we can do these. Let's see, target. WebAssembly. Let's see. Is there any way we can WASM time? The DOM doesn't even exist on this page. The DOM doesn't even exist. Let's see, I've taken a plunge into learning Rust. Make guy, holy crap, was that easy? Yeah. Yeah. Ubuntu. Man. What am I watching? Stuff. We're looking at this. Are we learning it? Thanks for the content. You're welcome. Let's see. I'll check the... Wait, check this TUI. I don't want to check a TUI. I don't want to check no TUI, dog. Maybe you'll look for the error in GitHub. We've done some searchies for it. Yeah, let's do a little rebuild. I think that the problem is I gotta go like read more on WASM and go understand, like, because I don't really understand what's happening here. You know, I execute trunk and I'm like, trunk go. So obviously we're having ourselves a little bit of an ish. Yes, I am running it with the WASM runtime. The problem is that it doesn't have the whatever Leptos is bringing in, it does not have. So therefore, I don't know why it doesn't work. Right? I like your Kinesis keyboard, but it is costly. Yeah, I also use it for like 20 straight years. Can you show the spin tommel again? Yeah. Let's see. So obviously, I assume I need WASI. Oh, they do have Cloudflare Worker. Does it have anything that is this like a feature that I... Hold on. What is this? Hold on. Editor config. Don't care about that. WASM pack log. Dependencies. Cargo toggle. We got that. Crate type. Lib. Worker version. Leptos is default features false. Features default that. SSR dep worker. Oh, interesting. Is there like a dep worker that I need to be thinking about here? Is that potentially the problem here? Target web, no default features. All right, compile the client side. We don't need to do the client side. I'm so crappy at WASM. WASM. All right, here's a nice little component. Features equals hydrate, else we do this one. Public async. Fetch, blah, 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 blah. So I don't know what this dep's worker business is. That's what I don't know. So, yo, where's Benny? I think at this point we need Greg Johnston. So when does CF workers support WASI interface? I have no idea. Amazing stuff. Hey, thank you, Andre. Is the build command differently? Not that I can tell. This right here can change how things are working, right? So it turns off default features. So we can play around with this for a second. Oh, I put an underscore here. That's funny. There we go. And so instead of doing that, we do this. And then go, what's the thing? It's features, default features. There we go. Let's grab those ones. Boom. So SSR is Leptos SSR. Do that. Let's see. Features SSR including let's see, but Leptos is not a dependency. Wait, who? What? It is right here. Wait, hold on. What is that one for? Server none. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. So I don't think we should include this in our bottom one here. Let's go to other file. I think that could help. Let's see. Failed to load manifest worker. This one, other file caused by... Let's see, failed to parse manifest. Oh, features SSR included in dep worker, but worker is not listed as a dependency. Oh, worker. There it is. Okay, I didn't know there was such thing as a worker. I don't even know what we're putting in at this point. What are we doing? Who are we? What does this mean? Daddy chill. PrimeageN, I wrote this with serverless, Leptos, and WASM. Okay. Features, okay, so you have that same thing. So you have this worker business. I still don't quite know what that is yet. You have Leptos, you have worker, okay. So we have some similar packages. You got WASM BindGen. Hey, thanks for following. Okay, so that apparently did... So, okay, so we still have the exact same problem. What, Pravon, where did you host this at? This little Fermion spin-up business, I'm not sure if it's going to work out for me. Oh, so you're using Trunk. See, I feel like I always get my stuff working with Trunk, but I don't understand how to do it with not Trunk. You know what I mean? The moment I leave Trunk, let's see, in the README it says they use Trunk. Yeah, I realize that. Because I feel like I can do that, but I don't want to do it with Spin. You know what I mean? Hey, thank you, Keck. Dang, at least I need to learn Vim. Yeah. Vim is way easier to use in a lot of times. Have you tried the change the spin runtime? Oh, what's this? See, I wouldn't even know what to put right here. Do you know what I mean? Like, what Like, I don't know if that's correct or not. I am, like I said, I haven't. The problem is I have spent zero time. Maybe use trunk in the build. Can I do that? Magic and play. I know the problem is I don't understand. I really don't understand WASM, I think, at a fundamental level. And so at this point, it just feels like straight magic. You know what I mean? It just feels magic. You know what I mean? Okay, HTTP through a standard in and out. Oh, that's fun. I guess that in some sense makes some sort of sense. Instead of cargo build, use trunk. Yeah, we could try that. So right now, whenever I do this, I do a serve watch. So I guess I could do a trunk build release. So they do have a trunk build, but so that's the interesting thing. So let's go like this. So how would I do this one? Let's just go like this. Let's comment you out and go command trunk build release, and then we can also do. Can I provide a project to this? Let's see. Let's go like this. Go trunk build help grep project truck. Get your truck in there. Workspace. All right. Let's just look at them. Features, file hash, all dist, public release. The index HTML file to drive the bundling process. Okay, so I should be able to go target, options, target. So I should be able to go build, and if I do this correctly, I should be able to go Vim Royale client. Let me just make sure I can build Vim Royale client. See, trunk requires HTTP, like, see, like, it just feels like I'm missing something. I've heard of The Art of WebAssembly. It's a great book on WebAssembly. Its features and how it works. Yeah, see, let's see. Get the hell out of the startup! Oh, man, Nightbot. Look at Nightbot. Got it. It finally got it. You know, that Nightbot is always Nightbot is always causing a ruckus, always posting links. Get him out. Get him out.
Before the storm as the round
We don't
begins.
want none of this. Karen, guess what? Nightbot finally got what was due, okay? Because Nightbot's been in this chat for a while. Always pretty helpful, right? Like, anytime someone asks a question, you know, they've just been posting links, okay? Lots of them. Now I got to get back. Mr. Dicksteel is asking a question, and let's just face it. That's a problem I want to face head on, okay? Yeah, Flip, I wonder if you ruined my Nightbot configuration. It's pronounced WASM. All right. So, all right, well, hey, nice. I can build WASM that way. So I don't see how this is going to work out because, oh, actually, hold on. Let's go back here. Let's RM, RF, target. Let's get rid of target. Let's try it. Let's build this trunk again really quickly. Little cold build. Let's do a little cold build. Because I'm curious, if I take this, do I produce the necessary stuff? You know what I mean? You broke Nightbot. Oh my goodness, you broke Nightbot. Flip! Fix a warning. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Find. Okay, nice. Okay, so it does build it for, so there is, it does unknown, but I don't know if I'm allowed to, hey, oh, WASM 32 unknown. Let's go in here and go, grep WASM. Okay, that's way too many WASMs. Dot WASM. There we go. Let's see. Okay, so it does create a client. So we can technically use the client, but I doubt that that's going to work because it's a different target. I can't imagine Spin just working with that. Get him out! That's right. I can't imagine that. What's the magic drink? Oh, it's just some greens. Just some greens. So I can't imagine that spin up. Right? I'm just going to go in here and I'm just going to be like, release. And then I have to have an HTML file? Damn. Right? I just somehow doubt. Yeah, and not only that, but it's also like, it's two different targets. It's also, oh man, I don't think that's right. Oh, don't you want to use a WASM 32, WASI? Yeah, that's what you should be using. But the problem is, of course, is that there must be some sort of oddness because I can build the damn thing. But the moment you try to spin up it, it doesn't know what this is. And of course, you do the Googles. Oh man, why am I in white theme? Right? Ah. See, like, it doesn't even exist. The thing that I'm asking for does not even exist. Yeah, Leptos injects JS, which is not supported in WASI. Yep. Okay, so... I know, but I have to assume... I'm going to probably just talk to Greg. I have to assume that the SSR version doesn't need the DOM. Right? Because it runs on my server. You know what I mean? Re-enable that. Leptos, Rust docs, baby. All right, blah, 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 blah. Quick links. We don't want server functions. Okay. We don't want routing. See, I would assume this one, right? This would generate HTML string without needing DOM stuff, right? That's why I thought that. Just demoed a developer to our Vim and Rust to my teammate work, and he got to go ahead and add to the code base. Oh, nice job. What happened to Twitch? I don't know. What happened to Twitch? Twitch is probably fine. Twitch, are we fine? Twitch, we good? For the web, it should be, yeah, exactly. And I'm not doing this. Prime, let's see, I have a perfect repo name for you, Prime. Another unfinished project. That's pretty good. Yeah, Twitch is fine. Okay, so... Ooh, what's this one? Interesting. How the hell does that thing work? Interesting. What's poppin', Preemie? Oh, nothing. Hanging out. Hamburger. Okay, so... Must be async, even if the work is done inside the function can only... Yep. Yeah. Must return serializable. Yep. Must be Saturday. Yep. Using Cbor. Okay. Interesting. I mean, that's cool. I'm not convinced I'm going to find the answer here. How do you like... I love Leptos. Why don't you... Let's see. Don't you need to brace your Leptos code in config SSR so it doesn't generate... Let's see. So it doesn't generate SSR code? Well, I only want the SSR code. Does SSR WASM still need JS to communicate? No, because you can run a server that does server-side rendering that's Rust only. You know what I mean? So there can't. Can someone tell me how routing an HTTP server works? Yeah. They read the first line of there's 2 lines in the header definitions of an HTTP 1.1 request. Anyways, interesting. Well, Pinteresting. Yeah, let's see. Sorry, config SSR to exclude. Okay, oh. So if I put that up there and then... Interesting. So what you're trying to tell me... Okay, so maybe that's... So I'll have to do something like this. See, I've never used much with config. I've never used... Okay, hold on. What the hell is this thing? I don't even know how to use those. I've never used this config SSR. Do you have an example of how to use the config stuff? Config. I mean, I've used it with test. Don't I have to like mod it now? Like mod, you know, whatever. Do I have to do it to every last thing? I think SSR is enabled. If I'm not mistaken, SSR is enabled. That can't be right. Oh, I've seen this cargo Leptos business. I've seen this cargo. I've never actually used it. Okay, getting started. Let's see. Okay, features. Blah, we don't really necessarily need to look at a lot of these features. It generates optimized WASM build for WASM. All right, cargo install this thing. Locked. Let's go. All right, for any reason you need the bleeding edge, super fresh. Okay. Cargo's Leptos for help. Nice. Take a look at our examples. Because that's the thing is I thought... Okay, so I'm a little bit confused about this whole SSR business. Right? Because I would figure that... So you know it's saying like, hey, this what you're doing doesn't exist.
I love you.
Well, I'm like defaulting it to right here. So that, I mean, doesn't that seem pretty straightforward? Like that seems like it works, right? Red Anthrax, thank you for the 5 months. And Mateo, hey, look at that. It's Mateo. Let's go. Let's go. We raiding, we riding, we ride till we die. Hey, how's it going? How you doing? Temporary F? Sorry. Get F'd, kid. Are you sure that features is correct? Maybe. The problem is, I mean, I don't think I can just go like this, features, because features equals SSR, right? I was the stream. I don't know if I can go dep worker, right? Like, I don't know if you can just put that in there. That's something I don't even know if you can do. I haven't... Oh, I just canceled it so close to being done. I wasn't even paying attention to what was happening. Thank you. Wobbly Pumpkin. Mateo dumped us into your stream. Yeah, that's how it works. That's Twitch. Have you never been on Twitch? Do you not have any idea? Don't hate the JavaScripters. Just be happy to Rust. Get rid of JS as God intended. Absolutely. We're trying out here. Mateo gang, represent. Nice. Prime, how do you navigate NeoVim with Dvorak? Do you have any special key maps? No. Nope. Too much energy for me to absorb at midnight. Well, goodbye. Thanks for the follow, JS Barrett. Why is default features to false? Doesn't it disable SSR? It does, but then we put features on right below. Leptos SSR still requires WASM bind gen, which is... Does it? Oh. So this isn't going to get us far enough, is it? I probably just need to go watch or read a book on WASM and how it actually builds together. Because I feel like I'm missing some very simple pieces of information that just make this process so simple.
Welcome to Costco.
Squall 75.
I love you.
I usually I use something higher level than Warp, right? I usually use something like Axum or Actix. I don't usually use something like Warp, right? Agreed. React ruined the world. I agree with that. Agreed. Hi, Prime. Hey, how you doing? Hey, thanks for all the follows. Oh, wait. Has anyone told Prime that Rust and NeoVim are bad and he should just use JavaScript and VS Code for everything? They're just clearly better as they're more popular. It is true. They are more popular. Therefore, they are better. Sounds like you're playing my list. What's the goal here? Yes, well, I want to do some... I want to use Spin. So, okay, so we're going to have to abandon Fermion and go check out Cloudflare is my next guess, right? Gosh, I hate that one. The World Wide Web was ruined before React came around. This is true. Real Chads use Brainfuck. Okay, facts. Why use Bleeding Edge Tech for SSR when we have PHP? Great question. Great question. I like your ideas here. But could you kindly find the door and never come back? Ever. All right. So I do like what. Let's see. Hold on. So I've never done. I have literally never done a Cloudflare worker. So I actually have no idea how this little Cloudflare WASM worker business works. Oh snap. So I'm gonna do this offline because this is super boring part is just to go and read documents. I don't like to read documents online. Okay, I like to program. I like to program fast. I like to get in. I like to get out. I like to move. PHP is fine if you know you want to. Don't listen to this dude. Don't listen. You stop listening. He makes the joke. It's not funny. Okay, just because some of us program PHP doesn't mean someone should be able to make jokes about PHP. Ruda Stanka. Hey, buddy. No. Don't stand. Please don't stand up. Here's the deal. Okay, I want you to take your PHP, and I want you to get. It's time. Time for you to get the hell out of the startup. Okay, get the hell out. I heard Hey, don't do that. Falcor is not hot tech. All right, so here, just to make life easy, we'll just get him out. We want people that can meme around here, okay, friend? You want people that can meme, okay? We want memers. Okay? Okay? If you can't do a little bit of memeing, okay, it's just not fun. Okay? It's not fun. Okay, when I say PHP is terrible, I want you to hit me back with a little bit of, well, Rust sucks, right? Like you gotta be able to do something here. Memers are dreamers, you know? I'm a bit of a memer myself, you know?
Welcome to Costco.
How do I change my name?
I love you.
Thanks for the Twitch Prime. You know what I mean? A real programmer's right back end in API. Yeah. .NET gang, .rollers. Yeah, you gotta punch with the rollers. Yeah, you gotta do that. Rust sucks isn't a meme. Okay, I take back what I said. Can we all ban? Can somebody ban Surfcat? Can somebody ban him right now? Right him. Just get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Let's see. I can bet that PHP would be easier to SSR. Yeah. Oh, get him out. Don't want none of it. Nope. Hey, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. You are my hero. Don't worry. I'm joking. Come on, we're memeing around here. This is just like a sad version. I'm not gonna be mean to you. Come on, get him out. I'm gonna commit you to the startup. Okay? PHP gives you ooh vibes. Really? Wow. That's a weird question. Rust WASM stream became Gaslight Premium stream. Yeah, I know. People are like, hey, I heard Falcor's great. Hey, I hear Falcor's great. Hey, Falcor. Hey, Falcor. Shut up. Stop it. Thank you, Python. My respect for PHP increased in the past couple months. Stop it. Stop.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Just kidding. If you didn't need therapy before, the Rust compiler will make sure you do. Bash Buddy! You stop it right now, Bash Buddy, right there. You get over on Twitch as well. All right. How did you do that voice? Well, I changed things up so that I
can have a nice voice just for you. You know what I'm talking about, baby girl? You know
what I mean? It's just what I do. Thank you, Strom13, for that. Fun fact,
Costco.
Mozilla used Rust to build Stylo, the CSS engine, and Firefox, replacing 160,000 lines of C++ with 85,000 lines of Rust. Let's go. Better. Your voice is nice as it is. Whisper me sweet nothings. I will. All right, chill, daddy. Chill, daddy. Chill, daddy. Chill, daddy.
Chill, daddy. Chill, daddy. Ah, chill, daddy. Ah, chill, daddy.
What the hell is even that? Let's see. Prime ASMR. What the hell is even that? All right. Anyways, I don't know what happened. We got derailed. All right. So here's the deal. I'm going to have to go read up on WASM. I just feel like I have to. I'm going to go play with Cloudflare offline. It's super boring. I hate doing reading on stream. It's just a requirement. But I still feel like I still got some time left programming. So the Margaret, did I just hear Mark? You know, it has been a little bit since we girls clubbed. You know what I mean? I feel like all right. Reading Martin Fowler refactoring right now. Great one. All right, so here's the deal. Here's the deal. WASM is just a transpiler, bro. Nothing to learn there. Yeah, you're right. You're right. See, this is why I don't like YouTube. YouTube, you guys are just so boring. Anyways, all right, so anyways, do you like how I just insult YouTube? I just insult all of YouTube. My goal actually is to get the people that are awesome to go over to Twitch. You know what I mean? Sounds like Gilbert Godfrey, right? Hey, what's up, Post Bunny? Okay, I should probably just go to Twitch. I know. Do you really want to be in the crowd that's like, there's nothing to learn with WASM, it's just a transpiler, bro? Then why does it take more than 0 seconds to understand? Shut up! Zish Bunny. Okay, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about Zish Bunny. Zish Bunny's probably over here, okay? Tilted over facts. Facts. Tilted. Just a transpiler. Well, when you really think about it, pretty much every language is just a transpiler because the CPU, you know, it doesn't necessarily do exactly what you're saying. So, you know, you're right. Everything's a transpiler. All right? Hey, get the hell out of here. First YouTube ban in a long time. Get them out. Get them out. Get them out. Get them out. Boring. Get them out, Command Bunny. First time, hey, you're just a transpiler. When you really think about it, I just ate a weird meal. I mean, of course it's just a transpiler. It doesn't mean that the environment's not difficult to figure out all the little things. All right, I don't want to read a bunch on stream. Tokyo! The only reason why I ever open up the stream is because it shows up in my recommendations. Well, welcome. Same. I'm on both YouTube. Really, you're on both? All right, so let's keep on going. So let's go like this. So since we're here, yep, we're doing this. Yeah, Mark, I didn't make the song. All right. So, we're going to do a quick little thing here with I'm uncomfortable. You shouldn't be. You should be excited. It's Mark, okay? The greatest YouTuber of all time. So let's go like this. Let's go to Vim Royale and go. So this is where we're at. We're about to do a little bit of Leptos UI. All right? In an environment that's easy. I got my front end hoodie. I'm doing some Leptos here, okay? I'm doing some No. I know. This is actually my playlist. Yeah, I may have heard this song more than one time, okay? You know, that's like saying binary is a transpiler because you don't move and block. Yeah, I know. There's an entire world around this all. Okay, so we have a couple errors before I apparently can launch my server. I may or may... Ooh. I like this song so much. Let's go back. There we go. All right, so I have to do a little bit of like work here. Okay, we've definitely had some here. Let's go like this. Let's go game comms because I've definitely had some people requesting that I do some of that. You know. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, I forgot I had all this nonsense right here. We were doing some teaching here. There we go. Fixing some of that. There we go. All right. So we're going to start moving. This is amazing. Let's go. Okay, so we have this. We have the game. Okay, we're going to go to game. Wait, don't I have it on here? I do.
Welcome to
81
Costco.
people. Let's go.
I love you.
All right. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is definitely async, isn't it? Don't you lie to me. This has to be. Wait, is this not? No, there's no way it's not. No. Yeah. Don't bullshit me. All right, what's the problem here? Let's see. Rust Handler, expected 1 argument, found 0. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness, I forgot we're going to do a start game. We're sending start. Oh my goodness, I haven't looked at this project in like a week, and I forgot that we quit in the middle of programming and that actually we need to be able to send down to the client binary start game. So let's start the motherfucking game, people. Okay, let's do this. Are you guys ready? I think you forgot to change the Twitch category to stream. It's in just chatting. Are we not talking? Is this not a talking stream? Are you not happy with the talking? I gotta turn on these streams more often. This is just peak content. Thank you. JetBrain says, "Oh, Rust plugin, people." Fix a warning. I just got done fixing a warning. What game on here? Hey, thank you, Cream Spree. I want that out of my mouth right now. Get your name out of my motherfucking mouth, okay? What are you doing getting me to say Cream Spree? Okay, I don't want that in my life. All right, anyways, so we got to go up here. What's the problem with this? Okay, syntax error. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What does this thing expects? A player start. What is a player start? It has an entity ID and a position. Okay, so we knew... do we need to do this? I don't think we need an entity ID anymore on a player start, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get rid of those ones. Let's go back to here. Let's go back to here. Oh, yeah. All right, so now we just need a player start, and we do want this one, right? And so now we need to put something in here, right? What are we gonna put in here? Oh, I already have a player start right there. Oh, I already have one. Oh, people, jump in here. I don't think I need to do that. Can I just do this? What's the problem here? Oh, start game needs to be serialized. Right? You're right. I forgot it. And we need to serialize that vec. Okay, calm down. Calm down. To do. There you go. Shut up. What? Okay, what is the error? This function should result in a... Oh, okay. There we go. Here. Like, this should never... I mean, I should expect this to always work. If it doesn't, we're screwed. Right, there we go. That's really more of an expect right there, right? That's an expect. That's an assert. As John Carmack would say. Assert that. I swear you're the best streamer because the soundboard or whatever it is, the soundboard is what makes me the best. Really? That makes me the best? Ah! That thing right there? I don't really have a soundboard. Here we go. I just recorded that. Really? Really? I can't do that in my own company? What is this, communist China? All right. Let's drink some coffee. Need some more of that in my life. I really tried to bring in the Randy Marsh energy, okay? That's all I want in my life is strong China, okay? China. I know many great Chinas. Speaking of that, my My daughter tried to say a bull in the china shop, and she didn't know what it meant. So she said, a boy in a gina shop. And I didn't think I could correct her. I said, you know what? I can't correct that. A boy in a gina shop. We're going to keep that, okay? That's the phrase. Boy in a gina shop. It was too funny. Then my 8-year-old's like, he is just so impressed at the fact that she just said boy in a gina shop. And I was just like, he's ready. He's ready for Twitter. This is the moment. All right. Anyways, I don't know how anyone stays around for this. I don't know how anyone stays around. Record her and embarrass the shit out of her when she's older. At our wedding, by the way, I would just like to play Exhibit A. Boy in a gina shop. Good luck with the marriage. Take care. All right, I got to do the song once more. I love this song. I love this song. I love it. Okay, I got to do it once more. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're not watching that. No. That was kind of fun. I'm getting back into coding. What do you think is the main principal focus on progression? You know what? Really, it's about joy. Honestly, if you're gonna go far in coding, you got to be able to find the thing that makes you happy doing it. If you're not happy doing it, honestly, you're gonna find yourself really being, you're just gonna find yourself having a really bad time. And I do mean that in the most. I love this song. I just mean this in the most real way possible, right?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
It just sucks, right? Life just sucks. Really, I should be going like this. Honestly, if I should be going like this. Match. Yeah, really, I should be. There's nothing here that, let's see, that I really care about doing here. What is ID? ID, oh yeah, that one. I should really handle this one, right? I should really, really, really handle this one. And it shouldn't be very hard, so I'm going to put an unreachable right here and say, handle me, daddy. Okay? The classic. Really what should happen there is that I should not let myself get there. Let's see, is this the Adana twins, my computer? Wait, what? Is it? I don't know. PrimeageN, VIP Nightbot, VIP Nightbot is already a VIP of this channel. Clips, Keek, Clacks are the music to my ears. Oh, dude, the music is so good over here. All right. Really, that's what you should be striving for. I think a lot of people, what they try to do is they try to think of too many things that need to happen. And I find like, you don't want to do that, right? Like, I find so many people go so hard. Ooh, I like this. Oh, yeah. I find that so many people try so hard to, like, learn everything, right? Like, yeah, I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, I guess I don't have that, do I? I really wish I would have understood WASM, taken a little bit more time reading about that. I'm not going to do that on stream. As I always say, I don't do that kind of stuff on stream. But that's part of the work of joy, right? Not everything is going to be pure fun rage coding. It's going to be some learning, and so this is just one of the moments that I have to do that in. You know what I mean? We'll figure that out later. Variable does not need to be mutable. Okay, we'll also work with that here in a moment. Unused, yep. Okay, so I should really be doing something here as well. Actually, this should never. I usually don't like doing this because I always find that that's like a really bad way to do things. So instead, let's go like this. I always find that, then you change something or you do something different, and the next thing you know, you are totally screwed. I don't know what just happened there. Really? Syntax error. Ooh, yeah. You know what I mean? Twitch chat. Twitch! Twitch!
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
You need to learn C first, and you'll know the fundamentals, which you don't need to know.
Welcome to Costco.
Yeah, I'm not really into that
love
whole
you.
thing either. You know what I mean? Sometimes you want to go down the rabbit hole. Sometimes you want to go down the rabbit hole. I'm not into that whole learn C first because it's the best type business. I mean, I do think there's truth to it. Like all things, there's truth to some of these phrases, but it's not purely true. Do you know what I mean by the difference to that? Like it is very, very true that the more fundamentals you know, the better or more understanding your programming is going to be. But the reality to it at the exact same time is to get a job and start providing for your family, do you need to know how memory is laid out when you're going to be doing stupid ass React components? I did say React ass dash components, ass components. And I mean, that's real, right? You shouldn't have to. I'm going to hold you, Tiny Dancer. Oh, Tiny Me Daddy. Tiny Me Daddy Dancer. But that's the real talk, is that you don't have to have it to be successful, but you should want it to continue to grow in your abilities and become more successful. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? The difference between it? Need and want are two different things. Your want is to be amazing. Your need is to provide for your family the best you possibly can, or yourself, right? All right, we just got a quap and to fix a warning, so I'll fix a warning real easy. Like, look at that. Let's go. Fix it. It's easier to learn from the Rust side anyways. I actually disagree. I think it's much better to learn from the C side than Rust side. All right, here we go. Co-op people. I just love this song. If you want to be a part of the prediction, if you think you got the balls to know the distance I run, I don't even know why there's balls involved in this, honestly, to tell you the truth. You don't need balls to know how far I'm going to run. Have you tried Elixir? Just like a brief moment. I don't have any opinions on it. If you think you can guess this, C is simpler, but it has 0 safety rails. Exactly, but C teaches you the true, like, feeling of what is actually happening in programming. Rust does make it it obscures some of that, definitely, right? Like, you don't even know, like, if you didn't understand the heap and you created a vec, you would have no idea that you had to malloc out that space, right? It just wouldn't even be a thing, you know? I don't have let's see. Learning programming is fuck around and find out. It is. I can't believe we're ending the song right now. I'm like so into it, and now we're ending the song. So we'll just go to my other favorite song in this playlist. All right, people. How far can I get? Here we go. Lot of bets. Oh my goodness, somebody went huge on the 10 meters. You're about to lose everything, pleb. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you've already lost it. You know what? I just realized that whoever did that bet is clearly in some sort of point laundering. They're clearly laundering points. Oh, twinkle toes! All right, 30 meters. I don't know what is going on with my guy, but he's very erect right now. Okay, not even 30 meters. Come on. Come on. This one's just a pride run, people. We're just doing a pride run. Here we go. Pride run, people. If you're not on Twitch, you have no idea how well this music fits. Come on. Come on. Oh no, not again! The twinkle toes every time! Every time. Every damn time. It's just on. Don't you normally stream on Twitch? Yeah, I do. Quapped. Alright, that's fine. That can be that way. Yep, those two aren't being used. Okay. Alright, here we go. So let's see if I send out the start message, people. Dang it. Wait. Here's my keyboard event. Yeah? Yeah? Waiting for more messengers. So wait, hold on. Starting game. Starting game. Starting game 4. Sent to 0. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It got sent. Oh my goodness, people. We got sent. We got sent. We got sent. We got sent. Okay, where did it get sent to? Oh my goodness, my reactor. So I came up with a concept called the reactor. It's kind of a fun concept. It's kind of a fun okay, so there we go. So I only can react to status callbacks. I can't react to anything other than a status callback. Oh, come on. All right, so we have a status callback, but we need more than just a status callback. Yeah, this was kind of like a fun idea that I had, is that I have this whole reactor business that does things for me, right? Because, so here's the thing, is that you have like all these messages coming in, but they go to parts of the system. So it's a little bit easier. I'm on Twitch instead of YouTube. Well, hey, I love that last song. I feel like I need one more banger to really send us out the right way. I want to send us out the right way. Okay, let's try Pink Shirt Mimo. I can't remember if this is a good one or a terrible one. I just realized I accidentally left this up really loud. There we go. All right, there we go. Do you think George Hotz transistors to the, or transitioned? I've never checked it out from the transistor. That seems exciting. Denk, thank you for the follows. Thanks for all the follows. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Honestly, the voices in my head fill in for music, really. It's so fun to see a vibe on YouTube without music. Yeah, Twitch chat, hop on YouTube. You don't want to miss it. I think you do. Twitch is better than YouTube, folks. Yeah, all right, so let's try to do a... All right, so how does this thing work? Wait, really? Where's the impl to this? There has to be an impl, don't I? Oh, yeah, there it is. Let's go like this. See, debug messages. Let's just call this thing debug messages. Instead of printer, oh my goodness, rename you debug, right? Yeah, that's smart. That's smart, right? I guess we'll just call it debug. No, because there's that whole. Let's do that. 2 messages. We don't even need that. Get the hell out of here. Do this for this thing right here for debug. Let's go. Return true. Let's go. There we go. We got it. Speak in French, please. Je m'appelle LePrimeagen. Comment t'appelles-tu? No, I cannot speak in Russian, but I may be able to do Russian accent. Très bien, très bien. That is me making Russian accent, speaking Le French. Ah! All right. Oh, I saved that file. All right, so that should do. Every message that comes in should now get printed right here. That's good. That's good. So there we go. Okay, what's wrong with you? All right, hold on. Vim Royale 19. Okay, so it's saying that this doesn't exist, apparently. Debug messages. Unresolved. Okay, no, that's not true. That's not true. It's there. I gotta pee. It's there. Right? It's right here, and I even mod it right here. See? You can see it. I can see it. It's right there. Oh. Whoa, is there no log in here? Oh, whoa. Do I not have a logger here? Oh, I don't. This is in Vim Royale client. Oh no, CD Vim Royale client. Cargo add log. Yeah, do it. Nvlogger. Let's do it. All right. Does that make sense? Ooh, we're in the wrong file. Ooh, we're in the wrong file. Ooh, I gotta pee. Ooh, the pee. The pee's coming out. Ooh. Here, quit Vim because it always just works best. Go back in here and let's go debug right to here. Yep, okay. It's loading up. Say naughty words in a different language. No! Okay, you tell them. Hey, look, I have a Kibby. I have a Kibby viewer. We have one Kibby viewer. Can you believe that? We got a Kibby viewer, people. You know what I mean? We got ourselves a Kibby. For my bibbies. I'm not even sure. Honestly, I don't even know what that means. Wait. Why is it freezing? Why you freezing? Oh, WebSocket got closed. Wait, why is WebSocket getting closed now? Bullshit. Bull. Okay, so we obviously have a little error there in my loop.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love you too. I love you. Sent 0 to start. Why didn't you get printed? I don't love you anymore. I hate you. The WebSocket forgot to pay rent. What the hell? Heating bills. Damn. Hey, before your bladder explodes. Oh no, we got time. Okay, hold on. Kill this game for a second. Okay, so something here. Kill that server for a second. So something's wrong here. Let's just go like this. Let's go back to our main, right? Main, cargo client main. Let's put that as number 1. Oh, crap, not this one. We don't want main. We want that one, right? We don't want main. Main's stupid. Main is just that. That's like a little compiling optimization, right? It makes it so you only have to build like a little bit of the library. I know, it seems kind of stupid to be like, how does that do that? But it actually does it. So here, I'm going to put that up here. And then I'm going to read from WebSocket. And I'm going to go like this. Just println. Help me, daddy. Bam. Do one of these. Do one of those. Go back in here. Let's just run the server. There we go. Okay, so that's where the infinite loop happens. Let's rebuild trunk. Did I not just trunk this? Is this not where the trunk's at? Did I not get junk in my trunk? Leptos log, right? There we go. That's what we wanted. Let's see. We are waiting for messages. We are waiting for messages. Got a player start. Okay, I know what happened. I know what happened. You remember that debug that we had? We didn't do the right thing. It's not dot. It's not an info. It's Leptos log. That's why I didn't have cargo. That's why I didn't have cargo in the client. That's why I didn't have log in here. I forgot. That's why. We don't need that. That makes no sense, right? Right? Because you can't have that. Right? It literally, it can't happen.
Welcome to Costco.
It can't happen. It can't happen. The name is having server issues. Okay, that's my name. Look at it. Look at it! Why are you broken? So obviously I'm not closing my server down, which that's going to be easy, okay? Hey, pick. Let me pick your brain, pick. But really, look at this. Are you ready for this one? We're gonna run this. We're gonna run that, and look at this. We now just got a look at that. Look at that nice little server message. We got a server message as a player start, position 1212. We are now getting the start command. We should be able to put our cursor effectively like right here.
Welcome to Costco.
Right? We should be able to start doing this. Look, our player position is 1212. Like, look at that. We updated the gosh darn whole thing. We're ready. Doesn't serverless servers only stay alive for a specific time? Does that make much sense to make WebSockets with the serverless servers? We're not going to be doing a WebSocket for this. This is a server, not a serverless server. This is someone else's machine running my server, not someone else's machine running my server function. You see the difference there? Are you self-hosting? No, I'm not stupid. Hey, man, how would you like to spend all your time? I don't want to spend all my time. So it's a server. It's a server. Server full, server maxed. All right, hey, thank you. There's a Tina the Tiny Dancer. Where are you, Tina the Tiny Dancer? Have I just stopped saying thank you? Hey, I'm sorry for not saying thank you. Tina, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Otsy Magotsy. Thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. I don't believe that's a compliment. Muriel Silveria, thank you for the brand new 7 months running new off the press tier 1. Let's go. Archicus. So many months. 6 of them to be specific. Can't even believe it. K. Hachig. Go pee before you explode. I'm not going to explode. I'm just going to have a good time right now. Twitch Prime package. Thank you for the resubscribe. Thank you. What are you talking about? YouTube. Sprees, thank you for that brand new Twitch Prime. Want to be filled to the brim with servers? I do. Server me daddy? I will. Can you tell us what wallpaper source? Those are awesome. Where is my wallpaper source? Is that better? I forgot to do that. I just forgot. LinkedIn Logger, 10% increase. Thank you, LinkedIn Logger. I appreciate that. Is the concept every user will be a server for itself or for other users? I actually don't understand this question. Exploding like one of those aliens in MIB. Oh, really? That's a pretty good reference, honestly. All right. Let's see. PrimeageN, you should just catch up. Can stream more then. Cath up. Hey, man. Okay, let's go to twitch.tv. That's Primey has been a bad at coding. No animo. Yeah, I know. That's why. All right. So let's see. Munition is currently on. Munition. Let's see. Who do we got on? Let's see. Who's the TechSmith back to Subnautica? Finite Singularity. Who do we got on? Who do we want to raid? Oh my goodness, the pee is gonna come out of me. Who are we gonna raid? Someone hit me with something. Noko for Apex Legends. Okay, who's Noko? Anna's cool. Okay, we got Anna's cool and Noko. We got Acorn, Aplex Legends, Twitch.tv, Noko Miono. All right, because Bash Bunny said it, we're going. Okay, when Bash Bunny has said it, we're doing it. Okay, Bash Bunny, this better be awesome. He's a predator. You know, when I was a young kid, calling somebody a predator meant something completely different, okay? This is like a whole new world I'm not even used to, okay? When I call a person a predator, okay, it's different, okay? It's just different. It hits differently, okay? So when I hear that the final rank is predator, I'm thinking, man, this guy's playing with kids. Maybe we gotta change up names. I don't even know, okay? I don't even understand this world anymore I live in. Bash Bunny, are you ready? Is it next week, Bash Bunny, that we're doing some Apex? Apex next week? You, me, love abilities? You're ready? I'm ready. I hope everybody's ready. Hey, YouTube, I've always appreciated you. Studio, YouTube, I've always appreciated you. You can tell by the way I speak to you. Let's go to the Go Live section. Let's go to this one. I'm going to end the stream now. I'm sorry. Bye, YouTube. I appreciate you. Bye.